not tried the Nescafe coffee. It is so good and I am obsessed. Good morning. Today is Monday. So I live in Sydney. We have been in lockdown for about 5 weeks, I think it is. Honestly, the days are just day or night. It's not like, I don't know what actual day it is, but this week we are getting back into a routine. We are getting back on track. We're gonna feel good. So you guys are going to keep me accountable.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same. You feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out. I will never leave aside my love.
11 a.m. If you know, you know. Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. It's like 7:30, 8 o'clock. So today I just need to quickly, on my computer, do a little bit of work in the morning. I usually do this every morning. We have like this automated list of messages that go out to people, so I need to check that quickly. And then I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna go for a walk and then we are gonna do some self-care because this, like, look, so bad. I don't know if it's just me, but you just give up. So it's exercise, let's eat, let's shower. Please tell me, does their kitchen need to be cleaned like 15 times a day? I've just made bread, which is outside. So I'll cook the bread later and show you. Is this not incredible? Look at that. That's the bread. So easy. Highly recommend. If you want the recipe, let me know. Good morning. So today is Wednesday. Let's start the day with a little bit of a workout. Now, to be honest, I am so sore. Thank God for having a home gym because you can wear what you want. And yes, this is the same top that I did wear yesterday, so no judgment. It is what it is. Just pretend that you don't notice it. So today's outfit, I look ridiculous. Spotty pants, which I think they're cool, but they're just not something I would usually wear. Vans. So many people, can I just say, before I sort of got into exercise, I'd always be like, why are people wearing like these types of shoes or like Converse to the gym? Like why? It's just ridiculous. But do you know what? Until you do it, you don't understand, like, especially for weights, like, they're just better. And this top is from Helly Hansen and my unwashed hair. So let's do this. There's a bee in here. Oh my God. I literally just saw it. I could hear it. Can you hear that? It's like in between the shutters and the window, like on the inside. If it finds its way out, literally, you will see me move faster than you would ever think I could move. It's actually been super motivating watching other YouTubers' videos. Particularly, I'm gonna say Georgia Richards. She to me has been so inspiring, like her whole journey. But yeah, let's do, oh, should I shower then do work? Let's shower first, then do some work. I want to take this top off, but I also don't want to completely show you my actual body. I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm gonna have a little bit of a self-care moment and use this. So this is the Ran Clarimat Invisible Pores Detox Mask. I haven't done a mask in so long. Oh, so much just came out. So it does say apply a generous amount. Oh, this smells and feels so good. So we're gonna let this dry, shower, wash my hair, which God knows will take so long. I actually can't tell you how much more human I feel. Like, I just spent so long in the shower. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of rosehip oil on. So much better. Look at that. Look how long my hair's getting. Have you seen Luxe Listings? I think that's the Australian one that was on Amazon. Let me know if you've seen that. I got so addicted to that. I didn't even know houses existed like that in Australia, let alone Sydney. Like, they are some massive, massive houses. So yeah, I really, really like that. But let me know TV shows, obviously, like, what else can I do? So good series of TV shows. I'm more into TV shows than movies, I'd say. Recommendations down below, please. Good morning, happy Thursday. So it actually just like occurred to me. So I've just woken up, I have done the emails that I have to do, and I totally haven't introduced you guys to my dogs. So you probably would have seen them in the backgrounds of my videos. So I thought, let me introduce them to you. So I have two dogs. This is Bentley. He is a American Staffy, and I think he's about 8 years old. Okay, so this is Rocky, who wants to be introduced. He is a French Bulldog cross pug. Today, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably finish some work, I would assume, and then some exercise if I can. Honestly, I'm so sore. I have been like moving more this week than I have in so long, so I'm definitely struggling. Maybe one day I might actually put makeup on, but today is not that day. So today is washing, cleaning day. People who exercise every day, how do you do it? Like, honestly, I just need to go for a walk at least, and I'm like, I don't think I can do it. There's always one. Honestly, how is there just odd socks every single wash I do? Do you have that problem? I need to know. So I was like, I look insane, honestly. I was like, I'm not exercising today. I'm so sore. My husband's like, let's go for a walk. And you know what? He's right. Is fast becoming like my fave place to sit. I got like cuttings of one of these plants. I don't know what they're called, but if you know how to make them grow, like these are fully dying. I put these like turtle things in it, which are going fine, but these, if you guys have any plant tips, like look at that. How do I make these grow? I want it like big, luscious plant like growing out of that. So please help with any plant tips, because I would really appreciate that. Honestly, if you have earphones like this, please tell me yours look like this as well. Like, I just cannot be bothered unraveling these. But I think that's it. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next vlog or video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.